A new politically charged token just landed on a mainstream brokerage. According to Blockchain Magazine, World Liberty Financial's WLFI is now listed on Robinhood, drawing fresh retail attention because it blends a crypto launch with high-profile backers and a promise of liberty-themed payments tools. So what is WLFI meant to do beyond the headline? The Blockchain Magazine piece says the project pairs its governance token with a stablecoin and plans retail payment rails, including checkout integrations and a debit card experience, framing WLFI as the Votan-governed layer in a broader payment stack. That positioning matters because a Robinhood listing doesn't just add liquidity. It puts the token in front of millions of funded accounts that prefer familiar brokerage apps over crypto-native exchanges. There's deeper context behind the rollout. According to Reuters, World Liberty Financial has been working toward greater transparency around its USD-pegged stablecoin, promising an audit and a simplified app while signaling that the WLFI governance token would become tradable as policy rails took shape. That disclosure push, combined with exchange listings, is part of the pitch to move WLFI from a pre-sale and governance story into day-to-day usage. Price action has been volatile, which is typical for a fresh listing with heavy media attention. Major outlets have reported eye-popping early turnover and sharp intraday swings as the token moved from pre-sale to open trading before settling into lower ranges as liquidity found a level. That mix fast volume, quick retraces, then consolidation is what you'd expect when a new asset leaps from a niche community into wider markets. What should you watch now that WLFI sits on Robinhood as well as big crypto venues? First, follow actual product milestones, stablecoin audits posted on time, merchant integrations going live, and any debit card or point-of-sale pilots beyond promos. Second, track participation quality. Not just headlines, does unique wallet activity and real-world payment throughput build week over week. Third, keep an eye on order book depth and spreads on both Robinhood and major exchanges. Tight spreads and growing depth usually mean market makers are comfortable stepping in, which helps dampen whipsaws. And remember that some coverage has noted Robinhood's listing didn't instantly produce sustained upside flows, can arrive in waves as distribution switches on across platforms. Risks are straightforward. Governance tokens live and die by disclosures and tokenomics. If vesting and unlock schedules outpace organic demand, price can drift, even if headlines stay hot. If audits or payments integrations slip, confidence fades. And because WLFI's narrative is intertwined with politics, regulatory tone shifts can amplify volatility in both directions. None of that is unique to WLFI, but the mix of retail access, a stablecoin component, and political branding makes the feedback loop louder. Bottom line, according to Blockchain Magazine, WLFI's debut on Robinhood moves the token from a community launch into the retail mainstream. But staying power will depend on audited stablecoin rails, real merchant usage, and consistent liquidity across venues. If those pieces show up on schedule, the listing becomes a bridge to utility rather than just a headline pop. You have been watching Cryptozard News. Please subscribe and like, and leave a comment if you enjoyed this video, and let me know what other crypto-related news you would like to hear in the future.